So hi guys, this is GS from Tech Nautilus 2017 and today I'm making a video that I always wanted to make but never had a proper bag. So today, it's what's in my bag day. So, started off, my choice of bag. Not very traditional but an HP laptop bag. I bought this for roughly like $1,800. Sorry, 1,800 rupees. Right, not much. Right. Best thing about this, have separate pocket with integrated charger point. So you can just lie down your power bank inside, which immediately it have a specific pocket for it, and then I can just charge my cell phone by taking a cable out of here. Right, and second thing, there's a separate laptop compartment right here. Choice of laptop, Asus GL503GE, i7 8th gen, 8 GB of RAM, 128 SSD, 1 TB hard disk, 4 GB of NVIDIA 1050 Ti. I know it's a little bit old specs, but still. Inside, there's my wallet, my Wi-Fi dongle, my trusty RHA M750i. Again, I know it's old, but I have enjoyed it a lot. These are really good, to be honest. And with a Type-C to 3.5, because I am rocking a OnePlus 60. Yeah, OnePlus 60. In 2019, I was planning to get an iPhone, but nah, not worth the hassle. Inside, few cables, trusted MI power bank 20,000 mAh, micro, I have a Type-C right over there, right, and then this pad, which I will talk in a minute. And what else is that? Nothing much, just our mouse of choice, Logitech MX Master 2S. Can't say good things about this. This has saved my butt a million times that I can't even explain how much. So, and what else is in my bag? Yeah, screwdriver. Important screwdrivers, basically bits, and there's also screwdriver. Now, this thing. This what you will say tech survival kit. Alright, so in it we have first compartment dedicated to the storage. So I have my pen drives, Type-C to Type-A, Type-C to Type-C, one SanDisk SSD, one custom made SSD, yeah, proud of it, a Bluetooth receiver, memory card reader 3.0, couple of audio jacks, single to dual, and those finicky airplane one. And 1 TB hard disk total, 120 gig SanDisk SSD, just a couple of cables, nothing fancy. Right, that's the first compartment. So in the second compartment, it is, here we are, my other stuff. Charger for the battery, I'm using Canon 6D, right? A small Canon container that I use to keep my memory cards in, my memories. A small cheap ass handle for GoPro, a GoPro Hero 5, international power outlet thingy, in case I'm traveling, few accessories, USB to audio splitter, DAC, I don't know what it was, but yeah, I liked it, so I bought it. and there will be an iPad in there soon. Nothing much. And the camera that I'm recording, that's a 6D, right, full frame. I know it doesn't have autofocus at all. Don't care, I'm using manual focus as usual. Here. We got a Rode Video Micro Plus, Rode Video Mic Do on a wide bracket. That you get into camera, and there we have it. I don't think I have missed anything. Yeah. In case I want to test on a monitor, I have this old Nokia's mini HDMI to full size HDMI cable that I found. Like, love it. It's compact, it's small. A small HDMI. In case, you know. So I was planning to record everything with the help of this. It's a small Raspberry Pi 7-inch display. So it's actually broken. I've actually broken it. I'm gonna put a small B-roll of it. So yeah, that's pretty much my stuff. There's gonna be one more video that you will find out on, I want to say 20th of December. So stay tuned for that. Sayonara.